Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today we're on to burning some oil. That's right, what happens to oil when it burns? And today we're going to be doing Castrol Edge versus Mobil 1 versus Amsoil. Today we're going to be burning these oils right now. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, tap the notification bell. That way you'll be able to come back and watch this important information for your vehicle later. And we're also going to be doing a whole series on burning oil. All right, let's do it. All right, the first one up, Castrol Edge. I had a great subscriber of mine recommend that I use this. We did a cold pour test on Amsoil and another Castrol. Definitely check out that video. I'll put it up here in the corner. But today we're going to be doing the Castrol Edge. Thanks for the recommendation. Here we go. We're going to crack the seal. Boom. Got a little plastic seal on top. Boom, and here we go. Let's dump in some liquid gold. There we go. And let's start burning. Wow, this looks like it's holding up pretty good. Let's take a look at the temperature. There's 70 degrees, 350. Alright, a lot of smoke. Man. Whew. Smoky. Alright. Let's go ahead and start burning some Mobil 1. Let's take a look what the oil is. Sat for about a minute or two. It's about 160 to 210 right now. Alright, so we dumped out the Castrol Edge. And it looks like we got a little bit of crusty stuff on the bottom, nothing too major, but it looked like it did pretty good. We're going to wipe it out, and we're on to Mobil 1. All right, it's on to Mobil 1. This is WAMA special. Everyone loves this, and a lot of people always talk about it, ask me questions. So today, let's see what it does. Boom. Here we go. Let's take a look. There it is. Let's add some heat. Wow, that's smoking quick. Wow, it's getting smoky real quick. Really getting smoky fast. Wow, look at this. Look at that smoke. Let's see what temperature we're at. We're at about 380, 360. All right, so we're getting some good heat. Mobile 1. Woo! That stuff is stinky. Let's see what we got. Little countdown temp, 220, 170. So similar temps. All right, there we go. Woo! We're dumping the Mobile 1 in here. Looks similar. Nothing too special. Kind of looks like the other oil. All right. I'm gonna wipe her out. All right, we're on to Amsoil Signature Series, 100% synthetic. Good for 1 year, 25,000 miles, or 700 idling hours. Boom. Here we go. Look at that liquid gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's get some heat in there. Just add heat. Temps we got here. Pretty good temps. Got some smoke. Wow. That's a lot of heat. And it's just not smoking and smelling like the Mobil 1. Now we're getting a lot of smoke. Let's see what the temp is now. 300. 4. Wow. Holding up pretty good. Wow, that just doesn't smell near like the other stuff. Wow. All right, let's see what it's at. We let it sit for about a minute. Still up there in the 200s, 230, 250. Wow. Let's dump it out. Let's see what we got. Looks pretty similar, but it definitely didn't smell near as bad, and it held the heat pretty good. I wanted to mention the Amsoil engine flush. This is what we did to my 59 Cadillac DeVille right here behind me, and we actually did a video on that right when I got it. And we ended up putting in this 100% synthetic premium protection Amsoil. Definitely check out that video right up here in the corner and let me know. All right, wanted to show you a oil consumption test difference. Take a look at this right here compared to the Limit, Amsoil, and then Signature Series. About almost 1/5 of the oil consumption. I wanted to show you just how big of a difference this is. This is a bearing from a basically an OEM equivalent oil. That's a bearing from an Amsoil engine. This right here is the oil volatility. So you're going to see the percent of weight loss. Amsoil is 6%, all the way up to Mobil 1 annual protection. That one is about 9%. So basically almost half is the difference from annual protection right here compared to the Signature Series. And this is the one that I have all my videos on. You'll see my follow-up videos where I've done 1 year with this oil. And also we did a commercial van 26,000 mile oil analysis video showing this on that. Definitely check that out right here in the corner. I also wanted to mention the differences between these two. A lot of people are aware of Mobil 1 and Amsoil. A lot of people are learning about lately. You can also check out this video up here in the corner. That is on Project Farm, where they show the differences between these oils. This one right here is good for 1 year, 25,000 miles. That's Amsoil signature. And this one is good for about 5,000, depending on the vehicle. And to kind of compare these, this is actually 4 times better than Mobil 1 Extended Performance. So this is actually the regular Mobil 1. After this goes Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Then after that goes Mobil 1 Annual Protection. So this is actually 4 times better right here than the actual Mobil 1 Extended Performance. All right, I wanted to mention another test we did this winter up at Mount Charleston here in Nevada, right outside of Vegas. We did a cold pour of 1040 100% synthetic high zinc and phosphorus. That's what I run in my Cadillac here. And then we got the GTX 1040. And these are, we did a cold pour test showing how they hold up in the cold. Definitely check out that video up here in the corner. And I also wanted to talk about Amsoil for a second. This is actually the first in synthetic. It's 100% synthetic oil. So these are actually blends of oil. And also Mobil 1 and Edge are all synthetic blends. And the difference is the film strength. And the film strength is what actually keeps the metal separated. When the metal's separated, it actually has less wear in your pistons and cams. And also you don't get as many carbon deposits that build up around your pistons and cams. So I also wanted to put a video showing a lot of information on doing an engine flush, getting all those carbon deposits out of your engine so you don't burn oil. Check out this video right here in the corner on how to keep your engine from burning oil. And definitely subscribe. Come back next time and we'll show you some more on these other oils over here. Take a look. We're going to actually be burning these other 4 oils. Pennzoil, Royal Poo-Poo, BMW, and Mobil 1 Annual Protection. All right, we'll see you back next time on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.